Here we will see report formula in Crystal report. Report formula fields are additional fields on the report, which are always used to return a value or insert a value where desired. The data types returned must be simple and can be number, currency, string, boolean, date, time, and date time. You cannot return complex data types such as range or array from the formula field. Formulas return a value by assigning the value to the formula variable and must always return a value. These values are automatically assigned to the fields the formula are inserted. To add a new formula in Crystal report, specify the formula in formula text area. Once a formula is finished, click on Save and Close. Here we have written this formula. We are going to print addition of mark 1, mark 2 and mark 3 in total formula. The formula name is specified here. To place the formula field in report, go to Field Explorer window and drag the formula field as any other field in report. Here we will see how to add a report formula in Crystal report. For this we will open a report first. Here we have created this report with student data which displays roll number, name, mark 1, mark 2 and mark 3. Here we will add a formula field to print the total of mark 1, mark 2 and mark 3. So I will add first text box total. To add a formula, right click on formula field, click on new, give the name total and click on OK. A formula editor window is opened. Since we are going to add mark 1, mark 2 and mark 3, expand this window. The table that you have added in the report is displayed here. From here, we are going to add mark 1, mark 2 and mark 3. Just double click on mark 1. It will add the student data mark 1 field here. Then give plus mark 2 and plus mark 3 and save it. To add this field in report, just drag and drop here. Now we will see the preview. Here 3 records are displayed with mark 1, mark 2, mark 3 and the formula field total is displayed here. If you don't want to display these decimal points, right click on total field, select format object and from number select decimal places to 1 and suppress if 0. We click OK. It will display the total without decimal points. If you want to add a line here also, then here select extensions, Crystal report, insert and line. It will display the line at the end of a report.